we're doing instant challenges, and so students are coming in and given something instantly, and then they have to solve it. And it's really neat to see the different creative ways that students do it, and then also how they're building off of each other.
Encourage me to have a great attitude. The kids always have a great attitude when they're here at Globals, and it's nice to see like teams working together and stuff. So that stuff, I try to carry that attitude back into my life when I leave here.
Destination Imagination! Congratulations on making